Breastfeeding for me is food sovereignty. It's that sacred first food, and it's important to our relationship between mother and child. My name is Jasha Lyons Echohawk. I am Seminole, Pawnee, Creek, Omaha, and Iowa, and I live in the Pawnee community. So when people talk about breastfeeding, sometimes they glorify it in almost unrealistic terms, and I think that can be just as discouraging as people showing up and pushing formula on your baby when you just delivered. For me, I think my kids feel more safe. They feel more secure in who they are as not just little humans, but little native humans. I feel like they're able to just be how they're meant to be.
Hawaipi, Shannon Andrews and Ganyaki. I'm a dietitian and a nutrition coordinator for the Otoe-Missouria Tribe Health Department. Through our continued collaboration with Oklahoma Tribal Engagement Partners, we'll be bringing you the Not Our Destiny recipe series. Follow along as we show you how to make easy and healthy recipes the whole family will enjoy. Remember to complete a survey to receive an incentive. Hinwa Rujewi, Ta, Torigun.
Follow along as we show you how to make wild onion salad. For this recipe, you will need 16 ounces of low-fat cottage cheese, 2 small tomatoes, wild onions, 1 large cucumber, salt and pepper to taste. Start by chopping the cucumber. 1 large cucumber is about 2 cups chopped. Chop wild onions. You will need 1/4 cup of chopped onion. The Otoe word for wild onion is si. Wild onions are known for their strong odor. The most eaten part of the plant are the bulbs. They taste like green onions but are smaller in size. In the past, southeastern tribes, including the Choctaw, grew their own food and looked for wild onions to harvest. This tradition continues today and brings families and communities together for wild onion dinners. These dinners are a time for fellowship and are often held at Indian churches, stomp grounds, or in homes. Next, chop the tomatoes. 2 small tomatoes equals about 1 cup chopped. You can make this recipe using different veggies that you have on hand. Try other veggies like bell pepper, carrots, or radishes. You can also use other types of tomatoes like cherry, grape, or even canned. And any type of onion, red, yellow, or green, can be used in place of wild onions. In a medium bowl, mix cottage cheese and veggies. Stir until combined. Serve chilled. Add salt and pepper to taste.